What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacy, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you're new to my channel, hello, and if you're a returning subscriber, what's up? So today I wanted to bring you guys an everyday natural Instagram baddie, super affordable, a beginner friendly makeup tutorial. I asked you guys on my Instagram, and if you're not following me on Instagram, baby, what is you really doing? I am super galore lit, bitch. What are you doing? So follow me on Instagram. But I did ask you guys on my IG if you guys wanted a beginner friendly everyday makeup look. Let's get started. All right, guys, so the first thing I do is carve out my eyebrows with my Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil in dark brown. And if you would like an in-depth tutorial, just let me know down below and I can get that for you guys. Now I'm going to conceal my brows with my LA Pro Girl concealer in Pure Beige. I'm taking my Clean and Clear Dual Action Moisturizer and my Badescu facial spray to moisturize my face, and then you see me applying some mascara before my lashes. Now, lashes is also very hard to explain to a beginner how to apply them. You can kind of see what I'm doing, but you want a tutorial, all you gotta do is comment. So with these two foundations, I'm gonna mix them together. My Loreal Infallible is a little too light, and my Makeup Forever HD foundation, a client actually left that at my house and it was a tad bit too dark. So when I mix it, it gives me a perfect foundation color. I'm just gonna use my fingers a little bit to mix the colors in before I use my Rotec Sneak Sponge, just so things are blended out, a little bit more and mixed in together before we start patting away. So with my LA Pro Girl concealer in Pure Beige and my Wet n Wild concealer, I don't remember the name, but it'll be listed down below, I'm just going to conceal my under eyes, my T-zone basically. And if you don't know what a T-zone is, just look at my forehead, the bridge of my nose, the under eye, my chin. That creates a cross. So to apply my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, I like to use a triangle shape sponge. It just gets in the creases a little better. Now, Sacha Buttercup is great for women of color. I'm a little on the lighter skin side, so sometimes it's a little too yellow, but it still works. Now, with this, you can get this from Walgreens, hair stores, Walmart, and I just like to bronze my face up because I don't like just having this flat, solid color face. We have to add some definition. That's what's gonna make you look more poppin'. So make sure you guys get this bronzer. And a little trick for me is I like to add this into the creases of my eyes just so I have more depth. Now with my Fenty beauty stick, you cannot get this at a beauty store, but I just like to use this highlight as a base for my Anastasia Beverly Hills highlight. And I know that this is not beauty store or convenience store products, but you can definitely find amazing highlighters that are inexpensive and at drugstores. I just couldn't find the ones I use, but for instance, Wet n Wild Crown of My Canopy, that's like amazing highlight poppin', period. You know what I'm saying? So I just add a little bit at the inner tear dot and I set my face. Alright, y'all, so that's the end of this video, and I hope you guys are messing with it like how I was messing with it, because when I was doing this makeup tutorial, I'm like, damn, highlight is popping. I look like a bad bitch. I don't even look like I got that much makeup on, but I'm just glowing. Like, if you want more makeup tutorials, just like this video and it will let me know, like, okay, this video got this much likes, they probably want another one. We doing good, we doing good, we doing good. So don't forget to check out my other videos, subscribe to my channel, and press that bell so you will be notified every time I drop a video. It's lit, gang in the building. Bye, y'all.